Basically, all this is doing is taking everything that's good from Mother Nature from outside and bringing it in.
Wow.
So we start with something called a PEMF mat.
Okay.
This is pulse electromagnetic field. This is mimicking the grounding force of the earth. So laying on this mat will make you alkaline, right? It will alkalize all 32 trillion cells. So this is running a low Gauss current through the body, right? A little bit stronger than the current of the surface of the earth.
Yep.
So when you run a low Gauss magnetic current through the body, you actually change the polarity of the cells, right? So out there you'll see I've got a couple of microscopes on my desk.
Yeah.
They're dark field microscopes. So basically I can take a drop of your blood, put it on that microscope before you get on this mat, and you'll see that all your red blood cells are sort of clumped together and stuck up. When they have the same charge, they can't touch. But when they get opposite charges, they attract. This is what happens when you get acidic, right? When your body gets borderline acidic. The pH range of the blood is only about 0.4 of a point. It's not much, 0.5 of a point. If I get more acidic, my red blood cells start to stick together and clump up and travel around the bloodstream in packs. If I can separate them, which I can do with a PEMF mat, I get all that surface area to exchange nutrients with the bloodstream, and that's what you want. So if you can't contact the surface of the earth very often, then you can get a PEMF mat, put it right on top of the mattress, put the mattress pad and the sheet over top of it, run this thing when you go to bed at night. Every morning that you wake up, you'll be alkaline.
So you have one of these on your mattress as well?
Yeah, I just put it right in my mattress.
Okay, and then do you just press it on for what, 30 minutes, and that's all you need when you go to bed?
I put it on for 30 minutes and I go right to sleep on it. You don't even know it's running.
And do you change the setting to like the lower one when you go to sleep? Tranquility. Okay, cool.
And it puts you right into a deep sleep.
And how much do one of these cost? For the people watching, they probably want to buy one now. Is there, because I know there's a lot of different ones out there. Some of them are probably not that good.
I test them all. I send them to a third-party lab. I have them dirty frequency tested. I have them EMF tested. A lot of them will actually pull bad EMFs right into your body.
Oh my God.
Right? So you want to actually, this magnetic field to push Wi-Fi, microwave, radio wave, 5G, you want it pushing that out of the body. You don't want it to pull it in. This one's by Pure Wave. I mean, I tested every mat out there. I'm not saying there's not other good mats out there. There are. Pure Wave was the one that scored the highest on all the tests that I did. Remember, human beings are not really powered by the food that we eat, the air that we breathe. We're really powered by one energy source called ATP. And it's made in something called the mitochondria. 10% of your body weight is mitochondria. You've got 110 trillion of these little batteries inside every cell in your body. Right? You got 110 trillion of them in the body. And what they do is they produce something called ATP. And this is really what powers us, right? Wow. So aging is a progressive mitochondrial decline. It's a decline in mitochondrial function. So red light will take oxygen and hammer it into the mitochondria and kick out a gas called mitochondrial nitric oxide. If I can get oxygen into this little organelle in the cell, I can give it 16 times more power. Presence of oxygen is the absence of disease, but when oxygen goes into the cycle in the mitochondria called the Krebs cycle, you get 16 times more energy than if you don't have oxygen.